Hi, we're seniors and we're going to experience e-bikes and learn how to ride them for the very first time. Hi, my name is Mike. I'm 68 years old. I'm 5'10" and a half. I've never ridden an e-bike, and the last time I rode a normal, ordinary bike, I honestly don't even remember.
Hi, I'm Allison, and I'm 70, and I am 5'4" and a half, and shrinking, and I have never ridden an e-bike, and the last time I rode a regular bike was probably 20 years ago.
My name is Armand. I'm 76 years old, well, 76 and a half, and I've never ridden an e-bike before. I'm 5'6" tall, and last time I rode a regular bike was maybe 25 years ago, maybe.
Hi, I'm Kelly, and I'm 5'3", and I'm almost 63. I have never ridden an e-bike before, so I'm really excited about this. Last time I was on a bicycle was probably 10 years ago, maybe.
So I'm here on the 630 Every Journey electric bike, and
500 watts.
500 watt.
Don't forget.
Thank you. And so we're going to start out by just learning again, or getting used to and comfortable with just riding a bike again,
Right.
without using the electronic component of the e-bike. We're just going to see how this goes. Here
We're
we
going
go.
to try it for the first time. There you go. Woohoo!
Oh! How you doing?
It does feel,
All right.
it feels a little weird.
Hey, brakes work,
Oh my God.
which is always a
There
plus.
he goes. And it continues on forever.
Negotiate a turn. Foot down, and here we go.
It has kind of a wide turn.
Breaking all land speed
Now watch,
records.
you won't be able to stop.
Hey, I missed you guys. How are you?
He made it.
He found the brakes, too.
Yep.
Woo, yay!
The eagle has landed.
Oh my God. Okay. Ah! Oh my God. I guess it kind of is like riding a bike. You can remember once you get on it, but oh my gosh. There we go. There we go. I'm not sure if I can turn around. Ah! Whee! Oh, this is fun. See if I can do this without crashing. There we go. All right. Oh, this is fun. Whee! I'm afraid I'll crash into you guys. Oh, that was fun. It kind of does come back to you as you start.
Hi, again. I'm Kelly, and I'm going to try this. So without the electric stuff, so I'm going to do it with my own power. I have to lift up the kickstand. Now, if I remember how to, okay, and I fit perfectly. I love the color. Here I go. Bye. Okay. Oh yeah. I think I got it. Yay! Hi. Oh no! Go away, cause I don't know how to stop. Hold on. Mr. Truck, get out of my way. I'm busy. Ah! Oh my gosh. Okay. Woohoo! Oh my God, this is so fun. I can even pedal backwards to rest my legs. This is really cool. Oh, it feels good too. It's good exercise. Hi! Hey, this is really cool. Oh, I love it. La la la. Are you there? Backpedaling, backpedaling. Now the big question is, can I get back to my little spot? Oh, no, not yet. I gotta try this again. I'll go this way. Well, it's like, it takes wider turns. It's not, I'm afraid to turn too sharp because I might fall. So, but I have a helmet, right? These will protect my head. Okay, here I come. Right back into my parking spot.
My name is Armand, and I'm 76 years old. I haven't ridden a bike in 20 years. I'm going to attempt to keep this thing upright. Yes. It's 630, 500 watt. Let's go have some fun. Where's the pedal? Where's the pedal? Where's the pedal? Oh my God. Here we go. I'm having fun. Wait a minute. I'm so used to the electric. I got it. I got it.
He's doing that on purpose.
Ah. I'm gonna make this.
That's making me nervous. You did great. You both did. I thought you were. Yeah, he followed your expressions and everything. It was great.
Yeah. Why am I turning the wrong way?
I'm going to engage the power assist. I'm going to press the on button and then go to, I'm going to keep it in level 1, maybe go up to level 2, and we'll see how that goes. Woo! That's assisting, that's for sure. Pedal assist is amazing, actually. As soon as you start pedaling again, it just kicks in and gives you a boost. It's awesome. Pedal assist, that's the way to go. Yeah, this pedal assist is pretty amazing. You can be coasting like this, but then you start pedaling and the assist kicks in and you just get a big boost.
You didn't fall over.
And here we are.
Okay, so now it's my turn. I'm going to try this. Turn it on.
You gotta hold it in.
Okay, so it's on.
Keep it on 1.
It says, and keep it on 1.
And be ready when you do start pedaling it.
Okay, all right. Here we go. Oh! Oh! Wow! It really does. That's great. Oh my gosh. This is fun. Ooh! Ah! Well, this is great. Wow, really kicks in. I love this. Whee! See if I can turn around without killing anybody. All right, there we go. Well, that was great.
Was I right?
Yeah, that was fun.
Okay, so now I'm going to do the pedal assist. So I have to turn it on. So I hold this button in the middle down, pick it up, and it says 0 miles per hour, but it has a 1, so that's the first level pedal assist, which is probably all I need. Okay, here I go. Ah! Oh my God! That was cool. Wah! Don't expect that. Oh my gosh. I think I should have had some instructions on how to use the brakes. Oh my goodness. How do I, okay, I'm slowing down. Wow, this is so cool. I don't think I'm going up to 2 though. 1 is good enough for me. But if I stop pedaling, then the pedal assist stops working. So I'm just gonna not pedal so I can get back into my parking spot. Pretty cool. Oh wait, if I do, I don't want to. No! Yikes! And here I am. I did it.
So now we're gonna try using pedal assist, using the throttle, especially with taking off, and we'll see how that goes. Here we go. Beautiful. What's that?
So you just can slow down even.
Well, you just let it go, and then I turned off pedal assist to get
Okay.
back in here.
All right. So you want me to attempt to do this? Oh, whee! Oh, that's great. Oh, this is great. Oh yeah, this is easier with the throttle. I also get it going faster. Ah. Oh yeah, you can kind of go whee. Whee. Oh yeah, that's easier to use that, I think. Yeah, it's easier to use the throttle.
All right, so let's see. I'm going to practice in using the throttle. I still have my pedal assist on. Yeah, here we go. Okay, I got it. Oh, I don't understand. Oh, because I'm going 6 miles per hour. I don't quite understand what I'm doing with the throttle. I need practice. Oh yeah, I see. The throttle will slow me down. Okay. I know they told me that, but you know, until you do it, it's you have to do it. Okay, throttle. And I guess I need to hit the brake. Don't hit the people.
My name's Armand, and I was having trouble balancing on the other bike. I had vertigo a couple years ago, and that sort of messed up my balance a little bit. Not that I have vertigo now, but it's just sort of, I feel like I'm back in my vertigo stage. Let's see what I can do with 3 wheels. Why don't I want to turn? Oh my God, this could be crazy.
Ready on the brake? On the brake? Here we go.
Ice cream! You want your ice cream? I feel like the ice cream man. Ice cream! Ice cream popsicles. Ice cream popsicles.
I'll take one.
And now I'll send you out grocery shopping for me. Go get my groceries. Cool.
I made it. I got some spinach from the grocery store. I like this. Okay, well, I'm going to try it now. We'll see how it goes. It's set up in number 2 here, so I'm going to bring it back down to 1.
Try it in 2, just because of how
Try it in
much.
2.
Yeah.
Okay. If I come back with groceries, I do. If I don't, I don't. But let's try this again. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Whoa. That feels good. I'm just trying to keep it on the road.
Get ready with your brakes. There you go.
A truck.
Do you feel the pedal assist?
Yeah,
Do you like it? Is it helping?
it does. It scares me at first. It scares me because it's really moving.
Yeah.
I could see where this would be nice and easy when you're going along somewhere. This is one hell of a bike. It really is. I like this.
So we all together here, the 4 of us, just learned for the first time, had our first experience with these e-bikes. And for me, and I don't know if I'm talking for everyone here, but if you're like me and you haven't been on a bike in decades, pretty amazing, especially the pedal assist, because I could see myself or anybody, you've been riding all day or for a long time, or anytime you get tired or you just need a little boost, boom, clicks in and gives you a big jolt of fake energy, and there you go. You guys?
I wish I could do that with my body.
That's right.
I like that fake energy idea. Yeah. No, I had a fabulous time. You know, I really like this, and I know when I ride a regular bicycle, I can only go for so long, and I'm tired. But I think I have this power assist, I could take longer trips, and maybe go all the way to my friend's house. And you know, the power and the motor that I had for mine, I think it was all that I need. Would they say it was? 500? 500? Oh, well, I don't want it any more than that because what I have is perfect for me. You know, I don't need any more power. But it's great. It's a great experience. Oh, okay, Armand. Tell us your story.
Hello, my name is Armand, and I'm 76, and I tried that bike, but not having ridden a bike in probably 35 years, plus or minus. I found I was having difficulty with my balance because I had been through some vertigo and all this other stuff. But I got on this 3-wheel, and it's perfect. I can just see this going down to the store, going to get groceries. You know, I really liked it, and I liked the assist. It was a little scary at first, but once it took over, and I learned where the brake was, it was great. I like this bike.
It looks good on you.
Yeah. I love it because
test
I
it.
like
Oh,
to ride
yeah.
along the boardwalk, along the beach, and I go with my grandkids, and they like to ride really fast, and this time I can keep up with them. And I won't tell them how. They'll just think I'm really good. And really fast, Grandma.
It's a fake pedal
It's that fake power. I love it. It's great.
So thanks from all of us for coming along with us on our first ride, our first experience with these e-bikes. And honestly, I think I speak for all of us again. You should look into it.
Yeah,
They're
try it.
pretty cool. Pretty
Right.
cool.
And race your grandkids.
There you go.